Yun po. So, morning po. Another day. So, bago po ang lahat, measure po muna tayo ng blood sugar. By the way, Pandesal Day po today. Shout out po kay Erwin Fernandez. Siya po yung nag-request nito, Pandesal with liver spread. Okay. Kuha na po ng blood sugar reading. Yan. So yung pandesal po na kakainin ko today, sinukat ko po siya. 4 pieces po niya is almost the same size nung loaf bread, white bread na kinain ko yesterday. Yan. So again, medyo mataas ulit today, 122 yung starting blood sugar reading natin. So again, pandesal with liver spread po. So babalikan ko po kayo after an hour. See ya. Yun po. So, nakaisang oras na po ulit, no? So, blood sugar reading po ulit tayo. And we'll see kung ano po yung epekto ng pandesal with the liver spread. Yan. Wow. Almost the same. 193 po yung first hour blood sugar reading. So, balik po ulit ako after an hour. See ya. Yun po. So, final blood sugar reading po tayo for today. It's been 2 hours since I ate the pandesal with liver spread. Request po yan ng isa sa mga followers po natin. Okay, here we go. Yun. Ayan po. 161 po yung final reading. So far, hindi ko po siya i-recommend pandesal for type 2 diabetic persons. I-consolidate ko na lang po yung numbers natin and then magre-release po ulit ako ng another video that would show yung comparison ng white bread, yung loaf bread that I ate yesterday. Ito pong pandesal and then tomorrow, tatry ko po yung wheat bread. So marami rin po ako nabasang articles about it and healthy daw po siya. So we'll see. See you guys. Bye.